说中文。
Chinese pot, Chinese pot, Chinese pot. That's the way to learn Chinese. Chinese pot, Chinese pot, Chinese pot. That's the way to learn Chinese.
Hello, newbies. This is Chinese Pod, and I'm Ken Carroll.
Hi, I'm Jenny.
Now, we have another lesson in spoken Mandarin, of course.
Yes.
And we're talking about
Your whereabouts.
your whereabouts. Meeting people, phone calls,
Yes.
connecting and going somewhere, rendezvous, all sorts of stuff.
Oh, you make it so sexy.
Maybe. Well, wait till you hear the dialogue, and then you can decide if it's sexy or not. So we'll listen to the dialogue 3 times, and we'll come back and we'll have a decent look at it, I believe.
对 super useful language.
Yeah.
Dialogue first time.
喂，你在哪儿？
我在路上，你呢？
我到了。
啊，这么快？
Second time.
喂，你在哪儿？
我在路上，你呢？
我到了。
啊，这么快？
Third time.
喂，你在哪儿？
我在路上，你呢？
我到了。
啊，这么快？
I think potentially a little bit of intrigue here.
Oh.
Now let's find out why. Let's do the translation.
喂，你在哪儿？
Hi, where are you?
喂，你在哪儿？
Hello, where are you?
喂，你在哪儿？我在路上，你呢？
I'm on the way. What about you?
我在路上，你呢？
I'm on the way. What about you?
我在路上，你呢？我到了，
I'm already here.
我到了，
I've already arrived.
我到了。啊，这么快？
Oh, that quick.
啊，这么快？
Wow, you're really fast.
啊，这么快
Yeah.
I haven't left home.
Yeah. So it's clear that these two people have arranged to meet somewhere.
Yes.
Right? They're both heading there. And the question is who arrives first and who has to wait for whom and so on.
Yeah, and the person who arrives early gets a bit impatient and
Yeah.
makes a phone call.
Yeah. Sometimes you arrive at just a moment and you'll call it as if you're being impatient, as if you've been waiting forever. It's just a thing sometimes. You do. Well, maybe I'm sure you don't do that, Jenny, but I do. Anyway, so here we are. Now let's take a look at it again from the top. There's a lot of very rich chunks here.
Yes.
Now we're talking on the phone here, so let's hear the language.
喂，你在哪儿？喂，你在哪儿？
Now, way is simply the way you introduce yourself on the phone.
对 phone language.
That's it. So one more time.
喂
Way.
喂
The tone.
second
Second tone.
对
Way.
喂，
Okay. Now the next pattern is really, really, really useful.
你在哪儿？你在哪儿？
你在哪儿? Where are you?
对，
你在哪儿? Okay. Now the 3 elements are
你在哪儿
so literally meaning you are where.
？Where？
你在哪儿?
对
Very, very useful. You can imagine how many millions of situations you could use this in. The mother calling her kid, or you're looking around the office, or whatever. Hey, 你在哪儿? Where
None
are
of
you?
which is very pleasant. It's a
Yeah.
bit disorientating.
It is.
Can't find the person.
That's it. But that's how you ask the question. One more time.
你在哪儿？
你在哪儿?
Ah.
Okay. Now, in this case, we're talking on the phone.
对
So you have no idea where this person is. Now, and the answer comes.
我在路上，我在路上。
Now, this means I'm on the way.
Yes.
But it actually uses the word 路.
对
Which means street. And 上 meaning on. Yeah, so 路上 means on the street.
对 but-
Literally.
在路上 mostly means I'm on the way rather than on the street.
Yes, that's it. So if somebody says 我在路上 means I'm on the way.
对
Now-
from A to B.
That's right. It could be walking in the street, it could be in a taxi, it could be in a bus.
Yes.
What about a subway?
也是在路上。
Okay, there you go. So I'm on the way. And what about you?
你呢？你呢？
Nina?
啊
Very, very, very useful.
Very simple.
Yeah, Nina.
你呢？
How about you? Now, this person has already arrived there.
我到了，我到了。
我到了。
对
Now, 我 as in I. 到 fourth tone.
means to arrive.
Arrive. Yeah, and sort of present perfect would be 我到
到了
I have arrived.
Yes.
I'm here. I'm already in that place we've agreed to meet. And so B is kind of surprised at how quickly or efficiently.
这么快？
这么快。
对
Now, 快, fourth tone meaning
quick, fast.
fast. And 这么快.
So fast.
Yes, that fast. You're so fast.
对
这么快. Now, again, this is, in response, you're just showing, well, I'm impressed or I'm surprised
Oh,
or
I feel guilty.
I feel guilty about you there so fast. So, 这么快. Okay. Now, again, that is a little phrase, works well in many, many, many contexts. Somebody does something quickly, finishes something quickly. Again, parent to the child, oh, you finish your homework. Oh, 这么快.
这么快
And it could even be a little bit suspicious there. I mean, how come you finish so fast? Okay, so that's it. Why don't we listen to that 3 more times?
好
Welcome back to another installment of Chinese Pod Trivia. And the question for you is, for what test does Chinese Pod offer preparation services for? Is it A, the polygraph, B, the colonoscopy, C, the HSK test, or D, the CAT scan?
The CAT scan?
Ooh, sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is C, the HSK test. That's right, Chinese Pod will thoroughly prepare you to pass this rigorous test of proficiency in Chinese. ChinesePod.com/HSK.
Dialogue first time.
喂，你在哪儿？
我在路上，你呢？
我到了。
啊，这么快？
Second time.
喂，你在哪儿？
我在路上，你呢？
我到了。
啊，这么快？
Third time.
喂，你在哪儿？
我在路上，你呢？
我到了。
啊，这么快？
Ken, are you
Yeah.
punctual?
Am I punctual? I have to say no.
Wow.
No. Are you?
Yes.
You are?
Yeah, my parents raised me that way.
Wow. See, I don't know if you're punctual because I'm never on time, so I don't know if you're there on time. And you could be. Yeah.
What do you do to be not punctual?
I just avoid, whatever I have to do. No, I don't know why. I'm a little bit better than I used to be. I used to be really, really, really bad. So,
But I think, Ken, you
Yeah.
have a presence. People who have presence are never punctual, and you are always forgiven for it.
oh, thank you very much. But I used to have this question a lot. 你在哪儿?你在哪儿 on the phone, but I'm getting a little bit better. But anyway, I can promise you I'll be punctual tomorrow.
哎，好。
Yeah, that's because we'll be back with another lesson.
Yeah, and the beauty about podcasting is we are always punctual.
Yes,
We're
indeed.
so ready and available all the
That's
time.
right. So we'll be back again tomorrow with another lesson. In the meantime, time to say
再见。
再见.
As usual, ChinesePod provides an extensive selection of learning materials for this lesson on its website, www.chinesepod.com. You can access this lesson directly with the lesson number.
1027.
So just go to www.chinesepod.com/1027
1027.
and you will find a transcript, vocabulary, and much more. The link again, www.chinesepod.com/1027.
1027.